There's some good competition out there today.
Absolutely, brother.
But I got a new paddle. I'm ready to go.
Nice.
Has max grit.
Oh my God. That's Christine Trifunovic.
Who?
You just bought her paddle.
What? That is her.
I bet I could beat her.
Yeah, right. She's one of the top players in the world. You'll get smashed.
Jimmy,
What?
you remember I told you the day might come where you owe me a favor?
No.
So you want me to tell your parents what I caught you and your bro doing last week?
Absolutely not.
Okay, well get over here. I need a favor. Christine,
Hi.
sorry to bug you. My son and I are big fans.
Can you send my Franklin paddle? Sure.
You know, Christine, court 3 is open and yeah, I don't know what you're doing, but we'd love to get a match in for fun.
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm waiting for someone. Please. Okay, he's cute. I guess I can play until my friend comes.
All right, DJ, let's go. All right, let's go, DJ. 0-0 on the 2. Yes.
Yeah, nice serve.
It's okay, buddy.
1-0-2. Boom.
Nice shot, Jay.
Let's go, baby.
All right.
All right, 4-0 on the 2.
Christine, it's time to train. We only have 1 hour.
Yeah, sorry, my trainer just got here.
Oh, don't go. You can still catch up. It's only 4-0.
Sorry, need a train.
Like I said, brother, I could beat her.
My man.
Can I go home now?
Hi, Shauna.
What is this viral video of some rec player kicking your butt, Christine?
What?
Take a look at the link I sent you. It's trending.
Oh my God.
Oh, don't go. You can still catch up. It's only 4-0. Woo! Boom! Oh, don't go. You can still catch up. It's only 4-0.
He edited that to make it seem like I quit, but
I don't care, Christine. This is bad. You should know better than to engage with these rec players. Do not go back there. As your publicist, I'm begging you. Do not ever go back to those courts. Ever again. Do you hear me?
And I started coming up. She popped up. I was like, boom!
No way!
Boom!
Bro, you beat a pro.
Oh, that's what we do around here, boys.
That's sick.
That's what we do around here.
Jordan.
Oh, hey, Christine. We were just talking about you.
Court 1's open. Let's get another game in.
I'm good. Maybe some other time.
You scared I'll beat you?
Let's go, bro. You got this.
Jimmy.
What do you want, Dad?
Time to get another game in, boy.
Let's switch up the teams this time. Father-son.
Oh. Yeah, it's not a problem. Jimmy here with me.
Yeah.
That's Christine Trifunovic. You gotta make sure you get over there.
0-0-2. 1-0-2.
That was a little rough.
Get up, boy. Come on.
Hey, Hans.
Christine, we need to talk with you now. It's urgent.
Yeah, Sam. No, don't be so hard on yourself. I think you're playing great. Yeah, once you get to like the Premier League, there's more opportunity, more money, all that stuff, of course. Let's just let's circle back, talk next week. All right. Okay, bye. Yeah, that was Sam Query. He's progressing right along. He's committed. We're committed.
All right, man. Nice work.
Yeah.
Well done. Next up, gentlemen, we need to address this Christine disaster.
Oh.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
Oh, she's right here.
Oh,
Guys, I've been here the whole time.
Christine, we saw the video, and as your agents, we're not impressed.
What video?
she hasn't seen the video. You haven't seen it? Really?
She hasn't seen the video.
Play the video for her. We have it. By the way, this video has been seen over 1 million times in the last 24 hours on the TikTok.
You beating up on children now, Christine?
Oh my gosh, that's not really what happened.
That might fly with those guys over at Jula, but we got a reputation to uphold.
Yeah, honestly, consider this your first and final warning.
Fool me once, shame on you.
Fool me twice?
Shame on you.
Christine, we got eyes on you.
Please, stop playing pickleball with children.
Except for that Hayden kid.
Yeah, he's a professional. He's on the tour.
True, and Annalie.
And J.W. Johnson's sister also, I think. Technically, is she under 18?
Minor, yeah.
Yeah.
No way! It's Christine Trifunovic.
Hi.
Sorry to bug you, but I'm a huge fan.
Awesome, and I know your friend Jimmy is a big fan as well.
Oh, you know my son?
What? Oh,
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Now, if you're ready to keep going, we have another video that we know you're gonna laugh your pickleballs off to. So click that one right here. Go ahead and click it and enjoy it. Go ahead. Stop looking at me. Click it right here. Click it.